Okay, so I guess,
Is it over?
yeah, it's over.
Okay. This
So I guess only
about
you are
the
here, Preeti. So
yeah. It is more about the business consultancy, not about the Apple. It's only about the MacBook and the investment thing.
yeah, but the case study was about Apple. The product was of Apple's only.
Yeah, he gave the many examples like newspapers and all. Yeah, in my point of view, Apple is a very growing and branded company.
Okay, so let us start by introducing ourselves. Okay, Preeti, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Preeti Agarwal from Kolkata, pursuing BMS Media Science from ILEAD College. And here I am working with LWT as an operation manager. Thank you.
So myself, Aditya Mukherjee, I am from Kolkata, and right now I am pursuing BBA in entrepreneurship from ILIT College. And after graduation, I would like to start my own company. Thank you. Okay, so
Uh,
Preeti,
what type of company you want to start?
a mental health company,
Okay.
online business,
Okay, so what product based or service based?
service based, of course.
What type of?
Type means I would like to connect the psychologist with the patient so that they can attend the session via online mode from the comfort of their
Okay,
home.
like webinar you will or do webinars and all to connect with them.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, so
so let's
uh,
start with this topic.
yeah, so I guess you saw the video. So let me ask you, why do you think the market share of iPod become obsolete after 2007? Why don't people use iPod anymore?
iPad or iPod.
Yeah, iPod. The music player of Apple, iPod.
Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. So yeah, obviously, many people is switching to nowadays. Many people is comfortable by using the mobile phones. They everywhere they can carry their mobile phone, and in the phone you have the music and all. So or you can download the thing, and there are many apps also nowadays. We can download it from there and use that app. So I think so. That's why the iPod is not in demand so much.
Hmm.
What's your review about it?
Well, I guess since the mobile phone has already has music player, so people have stopped using iPod because people can listen to music directly from mobile phone. And there are also several apps like Ghana.com, Spotify. So hence iPod become obsolete.
Yeah, I mean you can see the Reliance company. Reliance company first launched the Geo SIM, and then the Geo app is there. Everything is there. So many companies are like setting their strategies like this only.
Yeah, sure. Uh, but there is a problem is that sometimes our product become obsolete. Maybe a business person product has become obsolete or there is no market share or market need. But still in the video, we saw that some people are very emotionally attached to their product. They don't want to diversify their product or divest their product. So why do you think people are emotionally attached to their product?
Yeah, sure. Like, see, why we show why the company show ads to connect the people emotionally. They build ad like that ki sub connect those products and all, and the people who are used to that product, they have a trust on that product, that brand, so they don't want to switch in another product. If they are using mobile phones only, also then also they want to use their iPod. Like um if you see our like old grandparents and all, so in at that time, there is no screen touch phones or no smartphones are there. They use that. Nokia phone और Reliance का जो छोटा वाला आता था वाला phone. Then BlackBerry is there. All that. So at that time, म्यूजिक सिस्टम का उतना नहीं था उस समय, लाइक एप्स एंड ऑल सब उतना नहीं था, स्मार्टफोन आने के बाद ही हुआ. So some people are used to that product and brand, and they have a faith, they have the trust on that brand, so they don't want to switch in another brand. And if that brand is giving them service, if that brand is giving a good service, and they are satisfied with that, why will they switch into another brand and or use something else? They are emotionally attached with that brand.
Yeah, sure. So now my next question is, as you saw the MacBook of Apple, there is market need, but the MacBook is still behind many other brands like HP, Lenovo, Microsoft. I mean, Apple's MacBook is falling behind many other brands. So why do you think Apple can't compete with them?
Okay. Yeah, Apple is a very branded company, but Lenovo, HP, and all that, people frequently use that only as
Hello.
yeah. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me now? I'm
Yeah,
audible.
yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Hello.
Hello, I'm
Yeah,
audible.
yeah, you're audible. I can
Yeah.
hear you.
Okay. So yeah. So I was saying that yeah, a MacBook is like it's cost effect. No, sorry, it's expensive over the other others laptop like Lenovo and all. It's giving the facilities like Windows system and all. And even I use Lenovo and all laptop, not the MacBook. And MacBook is uh like we are the elite students, right? We use MacBook while editing and all. It's good for that.
So, uh, what do you think about the improvement?
What's your
I mean, how can Apple improve their MacBook so that it can compete with other brands?
okay? For this question, let me ask you first. What's your review about the MacBook?
MacBook, I don't use MacBook. Actually, I use HP. So I guess MacBook is falling behind because Apple is investing more money on their iPhone, because iPhone is the main product of Apple. It is the leader. So that is why I guess since they're investing money on iPhone, so MacBook is falling behind, or they may not be investing so much money on the MacBook.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you think about improvement? How can Apple improve its the MacBook product so that it can compete with other brands?
Uh, I don't use MacBook much, but for editing, I have used sometimes. I think they have to. Uh, um, there are, I think so. There are many unused apps are there, which MacBook does have, and they can uninstall them or their startup settings. many people, normal computer agar hoga to many people can start the computer very frequently and can use it very nicely. But MacBook has some other system to start and to you use, and to if you want to search a file, they have some another system, like you have to go to the corner and just switch. There are the menus button, and then you can power off or restart. There are something some another system, like, so I think so they have to change a little improvement in that also. Because if you use HP, or I am using Lenovo or any other brand, so if many people are there who if they are using the first time they are using the MacBook laptop, so they don't know how to use it.
Okay, sure, sure. So, do you think the iPhone can overtake Samsung in future? I mean, Apple iPhone, because Apple iPhone is in second position after Samsung. So, do you think it can overcome or overtake Samsung in the coming future?
Both is a different one is Android and one is iOS. So if you compare Android with Android, that's fair enough. And if you compare with iPhone with Samsung, I don't think so, like, because they both has a different thing, right?
So, what do you think people
In my
use more, the Android or the
case,
iOS?
don't like. Yeah, sorry, can you repeat?
No, what do you think people use more, Android or iOS? Which is more popular?
See, brand wise, if you say, obviously Apple phone is more than the Android, but in I think that Apple is just for the show. They use as a standard basis, or the very show of things. Some people just use for the good quality of the camera is there and all. But in my way, in my society, which I live, which, like, it consists of friends or teachers or anyone. In my way, Android phone, the most of the people use Android phone. In my personal opinion, if you talk about the Samsung and the iPhone, I don't use both the phones. I don't like both the brands also.
Which
So
brand do
that's
you
it.
like?
Like, I use MI for the last 5 years, and it's a good brand. Like, it's a trust building brand till now from my side. Like, you used 4 5 phones, and MI is a more comfortable for me.
Oh, sure. Well, I think
What's your
that
review?
people use Android more because the one of the main reason is that it is less costly than iOS. The Apple costs more.
Yeah.
That is one of the main reasons.
No,
Okay.
see, yeah, Apple is expensive because it is very branded. You know, it it creates a standard.
Hmm.
Many people just use for is, in my personal review, it's for the show of thing. Like, nowadays, people show that, see, I have an iPhone this, I have a new iPhone model this, and
Hmm.
also the try of the it's a thoda bahut of show off thing also. Yes, expensive, that's why it's a show off thing. It's very trendy in the um if you think if you see a college student or a school student, they want an iPhone so that they can show to their friends, you see, I have an iPhone this.
Okay. Okay. So now my next question is, do you think the newspaper, I mean, the original newspaper that we used to read at home, do you think it would be obsolete in future, or do you think it would be entirely transformed to digital newspaper, or people would leave the original newspaper and read digital newspaper only on their mobile phone? Do you think it is possible in future?
It is already yeah, both is both we will use, like reading newspaper at home also, and it is digitally, like um if you see Taza TV, it's also print. So it also has a digital newspaper also, as well as the normal newspaper also. Like they have the now only in few days back only, like few months back only, they have the new thing in this, like they have made it digitally. Earlier they used to send like this only through WhatsApp and all, but now they have made it digitally, digitally videos. Like if you open the newspaper in that phone app, then if you click on the video, it will uh, show show everything in the video, right? So that is attractive to the people. Like digitally we can yeah, for the time management digitally is fine. The people who don't have a time, they used to get up and just ran to the office and they have a lot of work, they came late. So yeah, for their purpose digitally is fine. But
Now, what do you think about the children? Like 8 years old, 10 years old, should they make a habit of reading the old newspaper, or should they also get addicted to the digital newspaper? Start reading digital newspaper. What do you think about it? Because children have time, unlike adults.
I think so normal newspaper is fine for the children, because nowadays you can see that children also using mobile phones, YouTube and all. Even 2 years 3 years children is using mobile phone for YouTube and all, for seeing cartoons and all. So I think so old newspaper is better for them, so that they could have a reading habit. They can read the words clearly, and that's all.
Okay, sure. Okay, so let's end the session here. Okay, since only
Okay,
you
sure.
are here, let's end the session. Thank you for coming. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.